Hyunanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today, gagawa tayo ng cookies and cream ice cream using this blender. At madali lang itong gawin at sundan. So ito ang ating mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng 2 can of all-purpose cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and you can use any kind of cookies or biscuits. So I use this Oreo, or you can use Bingo or Cream O. So before we proceed to our procedure, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start our procedure. Unanimous Friends, so pagsasama-samahin natin itong all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and evaporated milk dito sa ating blender. Okay? Ayan, na-open ko na lahat. So, Unanimous Friends, remind ko lang, itong mga condensed milk, all-purpose cream, and then evaporated milk, chinil ko sa ref ng overnight, or inilagay ko ito sa ref para mas malamig. So, ilagay na natin itong ating all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and then itong ating evaporated milk. Then, after that, i-blend na natin ito. Yan, after 2 minutes na blending, lalagyan natin naman ito ng 9 pieces na cookies dito. Ayan. Saka i-blend ulit natin ng 2 minutes. Yan. Tapos na yung 2 minutes. So, ganito na yung itsura ng ating cookies and cream. So, lalagay natin dito sa isang lalagyan. So, set aside muna natin ito. Ayan, ilipat natin sa isang malaking lalagyanan. And then, after that, lalagyan natin ng 6 pieces na crush na cookies dito sa ating mixture. Then, hahaluin natin ito. Make sure na malinis ang yung mga kamay, Unanimous Friends, habang kinakrush nyo isa-isa yung 6 pieces na cookies. Then, haluin natin. So, pwede nyo ito ilagay sa maliliit na cups, and then pwede nyo itong ibenta pang negosyo. And then, kung pang birthday yan, or pang kain ninyo, or pang dessert, so pwede nyo ilagay na lang dito, or prepare nyo sa maliliit na container. Yan. Ayan. So, ililipat ko siya dito sa dalawang container para hindi madaling maubos. Then, ito na yung ating cookies and cream ice cream. Then, lalagyan pa natin ng topping sa ibabaw o crush. Optional lang naman kung gusto nyo pa na mas maraming cookies and cream dun sa ating ice cream. So, kinrush ko na po ito. Yan. I-tap lang natin. Parang garnishing natin dito sa ating ice cream. Then, after this, ililid natin sa freezer ng overnight or 8 hours ito. Bago natin simulan ang ating tikiman. So, mas magandang for business. Yan. So, tatansyahin nyo na lang kung magkano yung costing nyo sa mga ingredients na nagamit nyo. And then, ilalagay natin, or ilalagay nyo ito sa isang small cup na kulay white. And then, pwede na kayo magsimula ng ice cream business na homemade cookies and cream ice cream. Okay? So, ilalagay na natin ito sa ating freezer. Unanimous friends, eto na ang ating cookies and cream. After na overnight natin na ilagay sa refrigerator, so ready to tikiman time! Wow! Excited ba kayong kainin ng ating cookies and cream? Yes, let's try now. Ang ating cookies and cream. Unanimous friends, this is the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Ang sarap, promise. Promise, ang sarap. So, Unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. Let's be friends. Tikiman time. I love you until next video. Bye. Ay, hindi pa pala nakasaksak.